Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Polygon community builder to Metamask. So all the data is populated. It can take up to a few hours for the data to populate, but mine connected straight away, and the data was there, and it was all correct. So before you start, you need to add the Polygon network to MetaMask. I find it best to do all this on a computer using Chrome browser. So if you haven't already, log into MetaMask, and along the top here, I've already got it here. I've got it says MATIC network, but if you click on that, and it will give you the networks. You see I've got the Ethereum network, which we've just moved across from. So down the bottom here, it says add network, and I'm just waiting for the screen to load. And then you need to fill all these details in. So if I just got it all written down here. So the network name, if you just put Polygon network, I've got MATIC, I'll put MATIC, which is what it used to be called. The URL, the RPC URL you need is the polygon-rpc.com. The chain is 137, and the currency symbol is MATIC, and then the Explorer, block Explorer is this URL. I'll put all this below, so you can just copy and paste it in the description to make things easier. So once you've filled all this in, then you've logged into your MetaMask, and just make sure it's all connected. So let me just close all that down. As you can see, here's mine already populated. I put the MATIC network, and there's the URL, RPC URL. There's the chain 137. The symbol is MATIC, and the block Explorer. So, and you just add a network, and that's what you need to do. But I've already done mine. So if we go back to here, I just need to close this down a minute. Back to the community builder. So once you've logged in, you want to select your MATIC network. Just click on the along the top here where it says Ethereum, or yours might say something different at the time, but just select that and select MATIC. Now, if you come across and click on Connect Wallet, and it automatically populates. Yours might take a few minutes, and for all this data, you can see how many coins I have staked of 48. This may take a few hours to populate. Okay, so that's all you need to do for the time being. This is only a temporary site. This will be updated over the coming weeks, and you can see the first week, it's the first week here. Current week, we're on week 1. I'm going to get 3.7, which is excellent. And that's all there is to it. All right, catch you soon.